The cleaning solution cartridge is located here. To change this cartridge, simply pull it towards you. When disposing of this cartridge, you should adhere to your local regulations, and you can refer to the safety data sheet. The new cartridge simply slides back into place. Press the cartridge to secure it. The waste tray at the bottom here, when it's time to change it, pull it towards you and straight out. The new tray comes in a clear plastic bag. Use that clear plastic bag to dispose of this one. Seal the bag up and then dispose according to your local regulations. The new waste tray has insert this end first at the top of the tray, and there are 2 arrows, and that's the way that it should be inserted back into the tray. Slide back in and you're ready to go.